Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by assembling materials and immediately shaping the foundation. You condition the clay until it's smooth, then create a 6/8 cm circular base about 1/2 centimeter thick. Once done, build a low ring of clay on that base to support the tower. Make sure to compress seams so the structure bonds. Use a damp sponge to smooth joints. Now start adding bulk with a foil or wire armature, and wrap clay around it to form the lighthouse's initial cylindrical volume. You sculpt the tower by tapering the cylinder into a gentle cone while keeping wall thickness consistent at about 5 to 8 millimeters. Once done, hollow the interior using loop tools, preserving support ribs or the armature as needed for strength. Make sure to score and slip any joined pieces so they fuse properly. This prevents cracks later. Then cut window and door openings and add horizontal bands or bricks for texture. Take your time. These middle steps determine how stable and realistic the lighthouse will be. You finish by drying the model slowly until leather hard, then refine details and sand edges lightly to remove tool marks. If using kiln clay, bisque fire per instructions. If air dry, allow full cure. Once cured, prime, paint, and seal with a waterproof varnish. This protects surfaces and color. Install a small LED or T-light platform, testing fit before final sealing. If cracking appears, rehydrate small hairline cracks, score and patch with slip. Then redry slowly to avoid repeat damage.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.